it cannot create an instance of ViewModel. Alright, let's see the problem. Instance is not created. We have created an instance here. Yes. The problem is this: we have not used the Koin dependency injection to instantiate this home view model. Instead, we have used the compose view models to instantiate this. So let's fix this. What we can do, just remove this from here and use view model, home view model equal to Koin view model. Remove this like so. Hopefully this will work now. It is now initialized.